we're going to go ahead and do sheeting. And I'm just going to go ahead and make this cork board so it looks a little bit more like some shinier OSB board or something. And if you don't remember, in our first video we made this. This is a 3/4 inch thick piece of 4 by 8 feet OSB or plywood. So use our previous things we talked about to make this if you want. In our previous videos, there should be a perfect spot for you to be able to do this. So we're going to go ahead and just control copy, and we're going to paste 3 of these, and boom. We're going to do that one more time on this side. 1, 2, and 3. So that saves us a lot of time. Just like in real life, if you were to do this in real life, you wouldn't have to cut a single sheet at this point. You could buy 6 full sheets and just slap them straight up if you do your math right on your framing. And that's key. So this would be another sheet we'd have laying around. We'll go ahead and spin that 190 degrees. Actually, not 100. You're 180 degrees. So spun at 90 degrees. Slap it down. So this is where we're going to have to make a good little cut. So now you say we have a gap here. So this would be something where we would just get a little get a saw, cut yourself a little strip, tack it in. So we're just going to go ahead and do the exact same thing. We're going to hit control and I'm going to copy all 3 of these. And I'm going to go ahead and put them over here. But instead of having it match up to where it's the exact same. Oops. Copy that. Didn't. But what I like to do is instead of having the boards match the same direction, like having the tiny little piece on the same side, what I'll do is I'll highlight all these after I moved them. And just use this twisty tool, come somewhere close to it, click, just rotate it around 180 degrees. Then just click somewhere else and highlight it. Actually, we need to have a highlighter. No, we'll do that. Highlight that, and then slap it in where it needs to be. And boom. Now we have our entire outside sheeting done. And the next thing we need to do is just go ahead and make these 2 unique. So we can double click and open it to edit it. And click in the corner, get your square tool right here. So we're going to be cutting in. This is a bit what we can use for like a router tool or like just using your regular jigsaw or something. You just click in the corner. That. We should be able to take this and just chop that. Cut this line. And we have an opening. Voila. So now, do the next one. Double click. Use your square tool, go to the bottom. Click top right of the door frame. Then push pull out. And it erased itself that time. Awesome. Boom. So now we have ourselves a nice little shed here. Alright, so if this video helped you, then I would catch you in the next one on just throwing a roof down. We're going to do just a semi-slant, nothing crazy. It's going to be a flat, no actual like pitch or anything. It's just going to have a pitch from the top down. So if rain hits it, it'll fall back. But I will catch you in the next one. Thanks for stopping by. Peace.